Good evening, seniors. Myself, Pawan Raj Singh from third semester, second year of CSE and today I'm going to present my project for Cyber Cell. And the topic of my project is the personal portfolio. So let's begin. First of all, I would like to show you my whole website in which there is a navigation bar in which the items, my name, two buttons of sign up and login are there, and three hrefs, you can say anchor tag are there, home, about, and contact us. After that, there is an introductory part in which the introduction of this website has, and introduction of myself has been there. After that, there are four boxes in which I have included some introduction about C language, C++ language, Python, and Java, and button two. These buttons are not working because this is the part of backend, and at least some social links are there. In front, if you click the sign up button, you will find an interface in which a user can sign up there in this website from their username, email, and a password. They can sign up. If they have already have an account, they can log in also by their email and by their password. Okay, so that's so after that this there is a contact part. If the user has any query, they can send us feedback about their user experience. So first, so let's move to the code area, which is the base of all these items. So first of all, there is a navigation bar, as you can see that header, class is header, and in this header you can say name is included, two buttons are there for sign up and login, and three anchor tags are there for home, about, and contact, as you can see in this website. The CSS part of this all header are, it is in a flex. It contains a space evenly, means the space between these websites are evenly distributed. Sorry, these icons are evenly distributed. Color has their width and height is there. Position is sticky. Position is sticky means that if we scroll the website, the navigation bar is the nav bar. It can't. It is not scrolling. It is sticky in the top of the website. And the Z index is one. It means it has the higher priority than others. Cursor is pointer. It means when we move our cursor into the navigation bar, it points. It is pointing the nav bar, and inside the name is also in a flex display. Font size in the name, you can say this the name, font family. Animation is in the name that you can see the animation in name. Animation is that when the name is in 0%, then its opacity is 0 and scale is 0.5, means it appear like smaller, half of the original width, original size. And when it completes the animation, its opacity is 1. It means its font size is normal than the normal as the as the original width is there. After that, the align center. Align center is a div of all the three anchor tags. You can see here home, about, and contact us. These three anchor tags are there. And so in align center there is also display flex. Font size. Font size means the font size of the home, about, and contacts are 25 pixel. Justify content center. It means it is in the center of this whole box. Okay, items in center means the height of this nav bar. It is in the center of the height. Okay, margin left 50 ps. It means it margin it occupy the space from the left, which is 50 ps. After that, after that the main section is there in which the introductory part are here. So you can see the background image. The background image in this is the black portion. You can see that you can see that this is the background image uh, in which I have made the content, in which content one is there, the image of this dummy logo, you can see the introduction of myself. The introduction of this website is this introduction of website, and the content too is the introduction of myself. You can see that. Okay. Uh, you can see content. Content in the style of content is height 80 width, width 70 width. You can see that the this border. Uh, Position is absolute because we have put in this box in the top of this background color, background image. You can see that. So position is absolute, top 20 VH and left 4 VH, uh, which we have put in here. And the border of this box is 2 pixels solid white. You can see that this 2 pixel has this border. Okay, then after it comes the between part in which we have discussed about 4 boxes, that is the 4 languages C, C++, Python and Java. So you can see that this is a C part in which the the image of logo is put in, and some introduction of about C is there, and the bottom is there. This is the whole part of C, and similar like this all CPP, Python, and Java. CPP in the sense C++, all are similar. At last, the social part is there. Social part is that you can see that at last, this is the you can say socially link which you can connect with like WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on. And after that, we can move to sign up page. There is a sign up page in which user can sign up their ID. If the user is new to our website, they can sign up. In sign up, there is a H1 tag in which the sign up is written. It inside it, after that, after the H1 part, the four input parts are there. That is, you can say the ID is the sign text, sign email, sign pass, sign repass. It means the username we have taken the type text because the user have to enter the text as a name, and in email part we have taken the type email because the user have to uh, type email. In that in password part, in password and repassword we have taken the type password, so that they can't see the text which the user is uh, writing there. Okay, and at last the sign up button is there in which you can click and the sign up button and the sign in occurs. And after that, two href part is there. One is that for if the user have already an account, then he has to click in there and they go to login page. Okay, and if he has to go to back to home, then he has to click back to home and they will go to the index part. After that, the login page is there. First I have to open the login page. Login page is there. Similarly, in login page there is a h1 part which is for login. Here you can see, and two input classes there. One is email and one is password. Means if the user is logging into our website, then he or she only require two things, that which is email and password. They don't require the name and username and so on. So there is only two input tags in which email and a password is done. Email and password. You can Then we are moving to the login part. The login part, similar. It is a similar than sign up. There is a H1 part in which login is written, and two input part. One is email and one is password. Because if the user is logging into our website, then he or she only requires the email and the password. They don't require the username and so on. So there is only two input tags, one email and one password, and a button. Button is obviously necessary to log in, and two anchor tags. If the user is new user, then he or she should click on the sign up button, because if the user has didn't sign in, then he has to sign up, then then he can able to log in into it. And another anchor tag is the back to home. Then he will back to home. And another the page is contact us. The contact us page, you can see it is also similar than both of them, login and sign up. In contact us page we can see that a container is there in which h1 tag h1 under h1 tag there is a text contact us. Three inputs are there of text, email, and feedback, in which the user can give us feedback that how he or she feels in our website. And similarly, a button in which submit, there is submit button, and also a anchor tag to go to home. So this is my personal portfolio website which I had made to present in front of you. So thank you and have a nice day.